Welcome. If you're on the hunt for a best automotive electrical disconnect pliers kit, you're in luck. I've compared the best of the best, and here is what you need to know. Product number 1. Toolwiz 6 PCS Fuel Line Pliers Set. Starting things off, I want to introduce a phenomenal choice that stands out from the competition. I am talking about the Toolwiz 6 PCS Fuel Line Pliers Set. Right out of the box, the premium craftsmanship shines through immediately, ensuring it will last for a very long time. It operates with a level of smoothness that genuinely elevates the user experience to entirely new heights. Beyond the basics, the highly intuitive design makes operating it a complete breeze for both beginners and experts alike. It boasts an incredibly solid track record regarding long-term reliability, actively minimizing the risk of sudden breakdowns. It frequently goes on massive seasonal sales, so I highly recommend tapping the link below to verify the current price. Backed by over 2,202 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Ultimately, it is a deeply rewarding investment that genuinely lives up to its massive hype. Product number 2. WAMEIJU 4 Pieces Electrical Disconnect Pliers for Cars. For our next highlight, prepare to be amazed by this exceptionally well-built unit. I am talking about the WAMEIJU 4 Pieces Electrical Disconnect Pliers for Cars. Designed with meticulous precision, it feels incredibly solid and enduring right from the very first touch. Its core engine is highly optimized to provide maximum efficiency, allowing you to achieve professional-grade outcomes. You will instantly appreciate the highly responsive and user-friendly control scheme that puts you completely in charge. You can confidently trust this device to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. It frequently goes on massive seasonal sales, so I highly recommend tapping the link below to verify the current price. Backed by over 797 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.7 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. I strongly encourage you to consider picking this up, as it will undoubtedly transform your experience. Product number 3. ppkbbeb 9 PCS Hose Clamp Pliers Set. Next up, I want to introduce a phenomenal choice that really caught my attention. I am talking about the ppkbbeb 9 PCS Hose Clamp Pliers Set. You will instantly notice the stunning attention to detail. It feels incredibly solid, giving off a highly premium vibe. It dramatically outpaces standard expectations, tackling complex and demanding tasks with absolute ease and zero lag. It is packed with smart, quality-of-life enhancements that you rarely see, heavily elevating the overall user experience. You will be completely thrilled to discover that it practically runs itself autonomously once it is properly set up. It has been thoughtfully priced to fit your financial comfort zone. I have dropped the official link below so you can monitor live offers. Backed by over 577 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.3 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It provides a masterclass in combining functionality with design, earning my highest recommendation. Product number 4. WISEUP 8-Piece Fuel Line Disconnect Tool Set. Shifting our focus, here is an extraordinary alternative that brings massive value. I am talking about the WISEUP 8-Piece Fuel Line Disconnect Tool Set. Right out of the box, the premium craftsmanship shines through immediately, ensuring it will last for a very long time. Its core engine is highly optimized to provide maximum efficiency, allowing you to achieve professional-grade outcomes. Navigating its advanced features feels surprisingly natural and completely seamless right from day one. You can confidently trust this device to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. Instead of guessing the cost, you can instantly see today's best deal by clicking the direct link provided down below. Backed by over 385 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.7 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. Product number 5. LiucoCotos Automotive Electrical Disconnect Pliers Set with Storage. Moving on to our list, I have another incredible option that you should seriously consider. I am talking about the LiucoCotos Automotive Electrical Disconnect Pliers Set with Storage. The build quality here is simply exceptional. It utilizes premium materials to ensure long-lasting durability even under heavy use. Performance-wise, it is an absolute powerhouse that refuses to buckle under pressure, featuring a streamlined interface. It is packed with smart, quality-of-life enhancements that you rarely see, heavily elevating the overall user experience. The completely frictionless upkeep process actively removes the traditional ownership headaches associated with similar devices. The price-to-performance ratio here is mind-blowing. Go ahead and visit the link below to check out the latest live promotions. Backed by over 303 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. If you want to take your setup to the next level, you genuinely cannot go wrong here. I've covered all the top options, so you don't have to search anymore. Check the description for pricing and more info. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.